want cuddles? You want cuddles? You gonna watch a movie? Apollo. Go get it. Go get it. You look so cute. Go get it. So right now I'm just throwing the ball with Apollo. I did this in the morning to get him like tired out so I could sleep till like 10 a.m. and then I'll like play with him throughout the day. Sit. No, good boy. Is that good boy? Is that good boy? Go get it. Can I have the ball? Can I have the ball? Sit. Apollo, sit. You gotta sit. Okay. Go get it. Did you find it? Oh, you found it. Good job. Snowing. So we're letting Apollo play in it. Come here, Apollo. Letting Apollo. Do you like the snow? Oh, you want to go on a run. Dude, you almost made me fall. Come here. Do you like it? We're eating pizza bites for breakfast. For lunch, my bad. Outside in the snow. Y'all, we gotta make Apollo some food and make me dinner because I'm hungry. I got Cohen's little cardigan on. Shh, let's not tell him, even though he'll probably find out. But I didn't know what to make the dog because he does not have dog food. He ran out. So because mommy said so. Because I said so, baby. Okay, fine. So I'm uploading a video right now that I just filmed sitting here. I made the thumbnail. I hope I saved it. Yes, I did. Woohoo. I gotta throw my phone on the charger too because it's at 3 and I'm not trying to let it die while I'm uploading this. Okay, let's go throw my phone on the charger.
All this small town, he said, she said. Ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know?
Figure out what to watch still. I gotta go to Max. Oh, boom. So Apollo ate the dog remote, the TV remote. So we gotta use Roku on our phones, and this lighting is bad. So I think I'm watching, what do you call it? It's that yellow guy. SpongeBob SquarePants. That's what I'm watching, and I'm yelling because the TV's loud, and I gotta turn it down. You wagging your tail? Yeah, camera's on. No, you're wagging it. Only to clean up the chips that I accidentally spilled of Cohen's when I went to throw them in the trash can. Okay, cool. Fixed it a little bit. Need to get a bowl. Yeah. So Apollo used to go outside and uses the restroom every other hour. Now he's at every 3 hours he goes out. Because he's almost 1 year old, so I don't need him to go out every hour. I changed it. What's up, my little Cooper? I used to be allergic to milk. So I used to be lactose intolerant. I couldn't eat ice cream, milk, or cheese, and now I'm good. I'll take out the trash now. I gotta let Apollo out in like 20 to 30 minutes. Probably gonna do it earlier than that because it's getting dark out. No, Apollo, you can't come, baby. He wants to come, and I'm not letting him. I'm trying not to show you guys the number so you guys don't know what apartment I'm at. But let me take out the trash. It's freezing outside. Like, I'm so cold. There's still snow on the ground. But like, oh, someone built a little snowman. Just cold. I'm eating.